Morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's September 7th, 2025. It's just after 9 a.m. down here to feed these animals. You can see some blue in the sky, a few lines, and over there you see quite a bit of smoke. So hopefully the smoke kind of dissipates before it gets here. Yesterday was just socked in. I don't know, it could have been rain clouds too. But it was awful dark yesterday. Well, Harold's fed and watered. Take the hay down to the end for the herd. Edith's already down here. It's 71 degrees right now. I guess it's gonna be another hot one. Well, I better get up to the house.